Find something unique we are planning to buy. Boss, look here, yeah. It's so difficult to find something which we want.
50 leather.
No, in one how much?
150.
150.
150. ये पूरा 100.
Uncle, 150 is too costly, yeah?
नहीं ये पन्ने ना देखे ऐसा वाला इसलिए कॉस्टली है. ये प्लेन 100 है. ये प्लेन से 22 वाला सब 100 है.
Okay.
350 लेना. कितना चाहिए आपको? 3 लेगा.
Uncle, if you can do it for one piece 50, is it
नहीं
possible? No, right?
अरे
This is the local bazaar. We are just exploring.
Local bazaar. You YouTuber, huh? Just click this one.
Hello guys, after having a heavy lunch, we are now going inside bamboo garden. This is the main gate. Say hi, please.
Hi.
Yeah. We have to cross this bridge. Wonderful bridge.
Nice.
And here,
Pleasant climate.
yeah. Here is.
Good.
See, you can see down there, riding boat.
You ticket tax. I.
Then you go.
No, I haven't.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come on.
Hello, four seater. Done. Two birds done. Pura kota pura. Kota vada. Kota pura. Illa nenga. Sir. Hello. Taking video.
Yeah.
That would be great.
We should go together with. I mean, if we can go together with them, now we can take a photo snap together.
Yeah.
Stealing bamboo shoot, but there is not even one bamboo shoot.
Paul, okay, you have to make it stop. The phone. Higher, more. Yeah. More.
So it's better we do it as fast as we can. Where is Paul? Come. I heard we have to take out our chapel here. We have to take out our chapel, something like that.
Sustain is it?
Huh?
Sustain is it?
Sustain, okay. We will get a basket for keeping our food. This is inside a monk temple. Behind the monk temple. So I'm just walking around. You can see this is the Buddhist golden temple, also called as Namdolini Monastery. It is located at a distance of 90 kilometers far away from Mysore. And it is a
Here is
place
our-
for thousands of Tibetans living in exile since many decades. This is a center for Tibetans Buddhism in South India. It was established in the year 1963 by His Holiness Brahma Nolbo, shortly after his exile from Tibet in 1959 as the second seat of Ganyu Monastery, which is one of the 6 great Tibet Nyingma Mother Monastery. The building spread over an area of 80 feet square feet and heights of 40 feet. It is a place of devotee and a blessing. The altar of the temple is filled with flowers, candles, and incense, which is also
I want to go around.
spotted with a small birds flying freely around the temple complex. What makes Golden Temple even more mesmerizing in the captivating landscape around it. This is a place to seek blessing from the
How come you?
the ancient stick after which they
No,
sit
suddenly you're
on
coming out from
carpet.
here, right?
Indeed, the poisonous spirituality taken at its
Photo, I'm love you. I think. Yeah, this background is good.